Tanzanian ladies, please, I just want to know what the problem is with you guys. What is actually the problem? What problem do you people really have with Priscilla Ojo, our beautiful daughter and sister that married you people's brother Juma Juice? What problem do you people really have with her? Come and clean and tell us. I want to really know what the issue is. Because since Priscilla and her husband went to Pella's wedding, all I've been seeing on social media is, oh, Juma looks sick. Juma looks pale. Juma is too tiny. Free our brother. Hashtag free Juma. Na wetin dey happen for TikTok o. No be small thing o. The thing don too much so tey Priscilla come decide say okay, make im dey answer dem. Make dem know say im na omo Naija. Craze for craze, ora for ora, egusi for egusi. See some of their comment in my comment section. Free our brother. Leave our brother alone. You are starving our brother. Priscilla was busy answering them. Priscilla told one of them, look, your brother like my toto, you no go ever fit comot for here. He tell the other one say, omo una no quick talk make I leave una brother o, but second belle don enter already. There's something you people can do. He answer the other one, tell am say, shebi you know wetin dey talk about slim, tall and slim men. She come post emoji of her kpekus, say her kpekus dey hot, say the man sabi knack well well. She just had to reply them out of frustration. What is wrong with you guys? Tanzanian ladies, come here, tell me something. What's going on? No, what's going on? Since Priscilla married Juma, you people have not allowed her to rest. Every time you come out and be dragging her, there's a Tanzanian blog on Instagram dedicated to dragging Priscilla and her husband Juma. You people don't even love your brother Juma, because if you love Juma Juice, you will respect his wife. If you love Juma Juice, you appreciate him, you love his talent. You will not be doing everything to diminish that boy. Priscilla introduced her husband to us as Nigerians and we accepted him. And since then, we've been showing him nothing but massive love. Go and look at all his social media platform. Go and look at his streaming platform. Anytime he drops new music, Nigerians are the ones streaming it. Look at all the songs and the videos that he has dropped before he met Priscilla. Go and look at the ones that he has dropped after he met Priscilla. See the way Nigerians have been supporting him back to back. See the number of Nigerian superstars that he has done music with. The ones that maybe in his lifetime he wouldn't have thought of even meeting them. Why? See the number of celebrity, important people that he has been able to, become friends with because of the influence of Priscilla and her family. Now you people are not grateful. Every time you come and dragging the young girl, what did she do? What did she do? I'm not really on that. Which one is free Juma? Free Juma, free Juma. Oh, he looks pale, he looks slim. Do you people even know the kind of family that Priscilla is from? Her mother owns a restaurant. Because I don't understand. So if somebody decides to lose weight deliberately, it means they are hungry. It means they are hungry. Okay, as you see me now, I be like, who they hungry for your eye? I deliberately decided to lose weight. I wasn't like that. I wasn't like this last year. I decided to work on my body. So does it mean I'm hungry? Does it mean I don't have food to eat? What is wrong with you people? Now jealousy one kill now out of bitterness. Is it by force? Is it by force for Juma to marry you people? He said no, he doesn't want to marry a Tanzanian. He wants to marry a Nigerian. So what is wrong with that? If he wanted to marry one of you, he would have done that already. Shebi he dated one Tanzanian girl like that. They dated for years. Still, he didn't marry her. He decided to go for the woman that he loves. What is the issue? You people should not diminish that boy. You should not dim his light. Oh. Because if you people start this nonsense now, you will trigger Nigerians. And you know Nigerians, they never back down. You know Nigerians, we never back down. Go and ask South Africans. Ask Ghanaians. If you people want us to start treating you the way we treat them, they will start doing that. Bear it in mind, the love that we have for you people is because of Priscilla. Because of Priscilla. What is wrong with you people? Now just they do anyhow. Now they frustrate the young girl. She will post on Snapchat, problem. She post on TikTok, problem. Free Juma, free Juma. As if she's holding Juma with one juju. As if she's holding Juma with rope. She tied Juma down. As how? People can decide to lose weight all by themselves. Deliberately for no reason. Some people can decide to lose weight for health sake, for health reasons. It doesn't mean that anything is happening. So as rich as Juma, you think Juma, even though Priscilla doesn't even know how to cook, can't they employ maid? To think that Priscilla's mother owns a restaurant, sells food to other people, and people now think that she will not be able to feed her daughter and feed her. Something is wrong with you people. Wetin dey worry una? Come on, Tanzanians, more na not make us vex for now. You people better take your time. The way we are happy with you people, we don't joke with our Priscilla. See, one thing you need to know about Nigerians, we can disagree amongst ourselves, but when it comes to outsiders, we handle them very well. So don't joke with us, because when we come for you, you will not like it. It's like the way we are smiling with you people now, you don't like it now, you want to behave anyhow. You want to take lesson note from Ghanaians and South Africans? You want to take lesson note from them? You guys be careful. Leave Priscilla alone, please. Let that girl be happily married to her husband. Live her life in peace. He decided not to marry a Tanzanian, but to marry a Nigerian. There's nothing wrong with that. We have other Nigerians marrying other people from different. Look at our singer Moses Lee. He married a Ghanaian. Did he not see any lady to marry a Nigerian? He decided to marry a Ghanaian because that's the woman that he wants. We have so many other people marrying people from other nations. So wetin come dey there? Why is Priscilla's own different? Free Juma, see she's holding Juma with juju. People should stop it. Celebrities are humans too. These comments can get to them. Haba. To the point that Juma had to make a video that day. They were discussing, his wife was recording him. He was saying that no, he likes himself like this. He does not want protruding stomach. Yet people don't want to leave Priscilla alone. Free Juma, free Juma. We free Juma from what? Jealousy wan kill na bitterness. This bitterness and jealousy that made Juma choose not to marry any of you, because he knows fully well that you people are bitter people. This bitterness that people are na im make am no marry una. Wetin happen? Sure.